about 9.2% on the shore as days on the market appear to be slowly rising. It's Friday, July 28, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. This week, inventory rose to 1,177 homes for sale on the shore. 117 homes are poised to hit the market soon, rising over last week. 175 homes came to the market over the past week, also a rise over last week. 57 went under contract and 88 went to pending. 140 properties sold in 10 days at 98.8% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home sold in the past week was in Oxford for $2,500,000. Homes for lease rose to 61 this week at $2,200 per month. Homes are only staying on the market for about 14 median days by recent data. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, July 28, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.